Introducing the 2023 Acura MDX. Best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Spaciousness, does-it-all vehicle. Designed to fit your lifestyle with style. Designed to surpass expectations. Superior handling. Powerful, high performance. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, hands-free liftgate, keyless start. Experience the superior handling of this high-performance luxury SUV. Make an appointment to drive one today.